What is nutrition? Nutrition is the intake of food fueling the body's dietary requirements. It is a process of acquiring energy from various food sources for metabolic activities and proper growth. The body gets nutrients during digestion. Eating a healthy meal and having a nutritious diet have shown to reduce the chances of developing various diseases and are suitable for improving a person's overall health. A balanced diet should contain adequate proportions of vegetables, fruits, nuts, seeds, and meat for overall well-being and nourishing the body. All these foods provide a quality source of nutrients that enhance physical and mental health. To get the most out of a healthy diet, it is essential to know the types and functions of nutrients. What are the types of nutrition in human beings? Nutrition is classified mainly into two types, namely micronutrients and macronutrients. The micronutrients include calcium, iron, vitamins, and other nutrients required for the body's metabolic activity. These micronutrients help to repair and build damaged tissues to support organs and their functioning. Macronutrients are essential for providing energy to the body when the food items are broken down during digestion. Compounds like fats, proteins, and carbohydrates are called macronutrients. Our body cannot produce most of the nutrients, so a person needs to consume enough fruits and vegetables to meet the body's requirements. Nutrition is segregated into two categories called autotrophic and heterotrophic nutrition. The term autotrophic nutrition involves two words, auto and tropic, meaning self and nutrition respectively. The organisms under this category contain a pigment, typically green-colored, called chlorophyll, that traps energy from sunlight. These organisms prepare their food from inorganic minerals like water, carbon dioxide, and mineral salts during the process of photosynthesis. Plants break down the food compounds into glucose for survival. Photosynthesis is plants' process that converts water, carbon dioxide, and sunlight into glucose. Chemotropic nutrition is also a part of nutrition where the organism synthesizes organic food by chemical reactions. Heterotrophic organisms cannot produce food independently and rely on plant or animal food sources. These organisms are categorized into three types depending on the food choice and their mode of feeding. Holozoic organisms feed on plants and animals for the nutrition they require for survival. Carnivorous, omnivorous, and herbivorous organisms are holozoic organisms. Symbiotic organisms depend on each other for food. Saprotrophic organisms mostly rely on the dead and decaying matter as a source of nutrition. But humans follow a heterotroph mode of nutrition and largely depend upon fruits, vegetables, and meat to nourish them with essential nutrients required by the body. What are the types of nutrition and their sources? Several nutrients are essential for the well-being of humans. The 7 significant nutrients and the modes of nutrition are as follows. Carbohydrates are also called carbs and are distinguished based on the number of monomers and polymers like monosaccharides, polysaccharides, and disaccharides. The human body breaks down carbohydrates into glucose, supporting body and brain function. Consuming foods that have complex carbohydrates can keep an individual fuller and helps with body weight management. Foods like rice, bread, greens, and noodles are rich in carbohydrates. Fats are essential to support proper cell growth and provide energy to the body. The body uses fat to absorb essential vitamins and minerals. Fats are also applauded because they keep the body warm and energetic. Fats are classified into two types, good and bad fat. The food we consume contains saturated and unsaturated fats. Consuming food with minimal saturated fat like butter, cheese, coconut oil, dark chocolate, and seafood is considered healthier. Proteins are molecules that are formed from amino acids. We must have learnt in our early schooling that proteins are bodybuilding food and help in muscle formation. Proteins are popular among athletes and bodybuilders to improve muscle formation and secrete enzymes and hormones. Almost 20 amino acids in the body are protein, half of which are absorbed from the diet a person consumes. The body requires amino acids to produce protein and repair damaged proteins. Consuming foods like red meat, eggs, dairy, nuts, and beans can provide a high-quality protein to the body. Humans must consume adequate water daily, depending on their body weight. Water helps in the formation of digestive juices and regulates body temperature. Water also plays a significant role in other critical functions, like maintaining cell function, lubricating joints, keeping the bladder clean, and reducing the risk of cystitis. Minerals are vital micronutrients for the body that help in building strong muscles and bones and maintaining a healthy heart rate. Chloride, sodium, magnesium, phosphorus, sulfur, and calcium are some of the body's essential minerals. Dietary fiber is a form of carbohydrate that helps the body in digestion. Our body barely gains any nutrients or calories from the fiber we consume. However, fiber is important in removing waste from the digestive system and regulating bowel movement. It can also reduce the risk of cancer to an extent. Wheat, nuts, and vegetables are good sources of fiber. Vitamins are crucial for the body. They are consumed through diet or supplements because the body cannot produce vitamins. Our body requires minimal vitamins to function effectively. Vitamins are fat or water-soluble. Vitamin A, D, E, and K are fat-soluble vitamins. Vitamin C, vitamin B12, and vitamin B6 are water-soluble vitamins stored in the body cells. Learning to eat healthily is not complicated. There are a few factors to remember for a healthy diet. Drinking a lot of water, minimizing intake of salt, alcohol, sugar, trans fat, consuming a variety of foods, including multiple servings of fruits and vegetables, whole grain products, lean meat, poultry, eggs, fish, beans, and low-fat dairy products can improve a person's overall health. Healthy eating plays a significant role in improving a person's overall health. A person's health can depend on age, sex, lifestyle, physical activity, culture, and dietary food customs. Considering all the factors, consuming food that is suitable for a person and eliminating processed food can provide adequate nutrition and keep a person healthy. A well-balanced diet has the right amount of vegetables, fruits, seeds, and meat for overall health. These foods can provide a good source of essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals that can keep a person physically and mentally healthy. Restricting some foods and limiting the consumption of alcohol can provide overall health benefits. What is the role of nutrition in maintaining skin health? Consuming adequate fruits and vegetables rich in antioxidants is good for the body and plays a significant role in improving skin health. The antioxidant can prevent the damage caused by free radical molecules and enhance skin health. What nutrients are needed daily? The list of nutrients includes 6 essential nutrients required by the body: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and water. How does nutrition affect the body? A healthy diet can help children grow and develop properly and minimize their chances of falling ill and getting chronic diseases. A healthy diet can also reduce the chances of developing obesity, heart disease, diabetes, and a specific type of cancer. How can we prevent poor nutrition? We can prevent poor nutrition by consuming healthy meals, including proteins and fats, carbohydrates, and enough servings of fruits and vegetables. How do you meet nutritional needs? Nutritional needs are met through a proper diet. Sometimes a doctor or a healthcare provider may prescribe vitamin supplements to support the body.